Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Practice now 3. In this question, we are going to find out A, B, C. The first part is that we have to find out the value of A, B, C. Now, here in this diagram, we are given that A, B, C, D is a rhombus. And we know that there is a special property of rhombus, which means that all sides are equal and two pair of parallel lines and opposite angles are equal. So we will use the similar concept to find out the value of A, B, C. Since we know that all sides are equal, so it means that this side and this side must be equal, and which means that this triangle ADC it becomes isosceles triangle. So we know that if this angle is 32 degree, so by using the definition we must know that this angle will also be 32 degree, right? If this angle is 32 degrees, so we can find the angle ADC, right? So we can find the angle ADC, which is equal to 180 degree minus 2 times 32 degree. So the answer is 180 minus 2 times of 32. The answer is 116 degree. So this angle ADC is equal to 16 degree, right? But we also know that, right, in this diagram we also know that if this angle, which is ADC, and the value is 116 degree, this angle must be equal to this opposite angle, which is ABC. So we can find the value of ABC. The value of ABC, this is equal to the value of ADC, which is equal to 116 degree, right? So this is the first part we have answered. The part A is 116 degree. Now to find out the value of BCD, how should we find out the value of BCD, right? So we consider this triangle, which is ACE, and we join this one. This is the triangle. We have to consider this triangle first. So in this triangle, because we know that these are two parallel lines and this 32 is making angle with this transversal, which is AC. So what will be this angle? So this angle will be 32 degree, right? This angle will be 32 degree. So we know that this side and this side, both sides are equal. So this becomes isosceles triangle, so which means that this angle will be 32 degree, right? This angle will be 32 degree. Now we have to find out, we have to discuss this triangle, right? So we have to discuss this triangle first. Here we have to calculate the angle BCE. Now this angle is 32. This is angle what we have to find out. What will be this angle? Since we already know that this angle is 116 degree, right? So what will be this angle? This angle will be 180 degree minus 116 degree, which means that 180 minus 116, this is equal to 64 degree, right? So this angle will be 64 degree, right? So this angle is 64 degree. This is 64 degree. So how can we calculate this angle, right? So which is this angle, which is BCE. So how should we calculate angle? Now the angle BCE, right? This angle will be 180 degree minus 64 degree minus 32 degree, right? The answer will be 180 minus 64 minus 32. This is equal to 84. This, the answer is BCE. The answer is 84 degree. Now we have calculated the values of part 1 and part 2.